Hello, this is MicJ11, and today is January 7th, and we live in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, USA, and it is really cold outside. We're in the middle of that Arctic front or something that came through, and here it's -5 degrees about right now, Fahrenheit, and that's really cold. I've never seen it that cold before, but I'm just going to show you a couple little short videos of things you can do outside in the cold, and showing how cold it is. Alright, this is how cold it is. There is ice on the inside of our house, on the inside of our double pane windows. So yeah, that's just cold. I've never seen that before. I've seen condensation, but never ice, like actual lots of ice. Like, that's just crazy. Like, look at them. And these are Anderson windows. I mean, they're not a cheap kind of window. I mean, that's just crazy that there's ice on the inside of my house. So, yeah. And then there's also ice around the doors, aluminum frames, because it conducts heat, so it's not very efficient at all. So we're losing a lot. I mean, I can just feel the heat radiating out of the house here. And here's even some more ice on some sliding glass doors. Look at that. I mean, it's just insane. There's ice on the inside of our house. There's a little bit in the corner there, too. Alright, guys, so I can't not do the normal chucking the boiling water up in the air. So let's try it. I don't think it's going to work, but it's probably just going to make a lot of steam. So here we go. 1, 2, 3! Just lots of steam, lots of it still hit the ground. But, yeah. Now there's going to be ice on the porch. Yeah, it's just going to be icy. But, it was worth a try. That's interesting. We actually got some, like, circles of water there. It's kind of weird. But our pond is frozen all the way over where it was until I broke it, but it was just a thin layer over top of where the bubbler is. The bubbler's to keep the fish alive, to keep the air circulating. But yeah. Now let's just try squirting some water, some mist. I don't think it's actually gonna like turn into snow though. No, it's not cold enough for it to actually freeze. So it just turns into water. So, not too interesting. And here's another proof of how cold it is. Here's some plants. The leaves just kind of crumble. Look at that. Poor plants. I mean, it's just cold. Like, look at that. The leaves just crumble and... yeah. Here's another, this is another plant. Look at that, the leaves just crumble right up. It's just crazy. And another plant. Look at that, the leaves just, they're like dry freezed. And here's some holly, which also keeps its leaves on all winter long. And its leaves are also quite brittle, like they're in liquid nitrogen. I mean, they're just brittle. It's just kind of crazy. Poor plant. But, yeah, even our furnace has been working quite overtime. We have like a programmable thermostat on it. And it's 9:30 in the morning right now. And the furnace was running for Tuesday, which is today. It says that since midnight, it's been running for 8.5 hours, so it's only been off 1 hour. So it's been really running a lot. So, yeah, but it's cold outside. This is the coldest I've ever seen it here. I don't think it's a record, but it's a record for this year and probably a couple of years. But, yeah, so -5 degrees. I believe it's -40 degrees wind chill, which it's really cold out here. Yeah, I'm getting cold. So, yeah, that's about it. I'll probably have to, when we get some more ice on the pond or when it gets a little warmer, I'll maybe do an ice smashing slow-mo video again, because you guys liked that one I did a while ago. And I also have a 300 frames per second camera now, so I'll be able to make a much better video now. So that's about it. Thanks for watching.